Be very careful that touching the left.
Yes, it looks very nice now. Because of the snowfall, and there are dozens of wolves around us. We can't move. We need help. Okay, now it's time to test you. Now we begin our first mission. Let's see how you will handle the wolves. The mechanical parts are working very nice. Yes, we're doing very well. I don't want to hurt you. Leave here. Whoa, I really have a difficult job. It's okay, it's alright. Calm down, it's all over. Bye guys, have a good trip. It's nice to have a happy ending on my first mission. We just received another notification. Oh, darling, what happened to you? I'm coming right away. The location is difficult to reach, but we will succeed. Oh, slowly, slowly, carefully. This place is tougher than it looks. This task is very challenging. I need to descend the mountain slope very carefully. Don't worry, I'll get you out of there. Oh, calm down. I won't do anything bad to you. Now I will save you, my little friend. Yes, that's all. You can go. these people surrounding me? Stop! What are you doing? I can't get up. It's taken so much.
Recess this power switch.
Oh my God, what's happening to me? Thank you all. You saved me. Please, don't leave me alone. Get up.